Welcome everybody. Today we got the Cobra Frogman, codename Eels. Like most Cobra figures, they were, just general infantry. They weren't really, individual people. They just sort of, fill in the ranks guys. These are, sort of the equivalent to SEALs, underwater demolition. According to my sources, he's came out in '85. His O-ring's probably okay, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it anyway because it's a little loose. And evidently I did play with him in the water some because his little screw there got a little rusty. But get him broken down and placed, and let's see how bad he really was. Like I say, it's stretched out, but it's not, that's what where it's supposed to be to where it is. It's not the worst I've ever seen. I don't know that I've ever paid attention to the ones that had the nodding head, so they just got a sphere there instead of a column. But get these parts back together so you're ready to go here in a second, hopefully. And there. And oops. I've been doing this enough where I should be getting better at it. You would think. Alright, there you go. Let's see, I don't think I can do that with him. I have to do it apart. I remember playing with this guy, but I don't remember his weapons or anything. Like I said, I did track down that is his backpack. I'm gonna get you in there. And there they go. I had been doing a good job on these. Okay. Oh, you need a head, dude. Come on, stay in there. Don't lose your head. If I can get it. The headless eelman. Okay. I can get it apart enough to get in there. We'll get that one. All right. Got her back together. Okay. Drop my screw in there. And like I always do the counterclockwise until we get it click. Well, until we get it click. So I know I'm using the same tracks again. And there you are, nice and tight and good as new. Although that head is wobbly now. Wonder if I got it in the right place. All right. I think I missed it, the mark. That's. Okay. You down there. Okay, that's better. I think. Slightly better. Still a little wobbly. Yeah, okay. I guess that's just how he's going to be. He's going to live in his little card on the wall anyway. But as I was saying, the backpack, it looks like there's something that attached on down here, but I do not remember what it was. It's got the holes for, and it looks like a slot for some attachment. One of these days I'll have to do some research on that and find out. But I say, the Cobra troops always sort of looked cool, even though they were the bad guys. I think this is a nice, you know, it didn't have that, what was it, teal and orange of wetsuit. So I thought that was, you know, I see, the masks and everything. I always thought the Cobra troops did have the cooler looks, but I always played more with the G.I. Joe side of things. And that's just going to bug me. Why is that so loose? It wasn't that loose a minute ago. Did I drop a piece out? Oh well, I may take them apart after a while and double check that. But anyway, there's one of the eels. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.